Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. So today I'll be talking about how to improve Mac performance. Means how to improve the speed and optimize the performance. So first step will be how to clear the cache. So there are two ways basically, from two ways you need to clear the cache. So first go to Finder and then click on this go label and then again click on this go to folder. You'll see this library cache available, so just click on go. Now here whatever items are listed, just do command A, means select all the items and move to trash. Alright, so after moving it to trash, don't forget to empty your trash. Whenever you are moving any item to the trash, do not just bundle it up, so do not pile it up in the trash, so just keep flushing the trash, just keep emptying it all the time. Okay, so that is also very important to empty the trash frequently. All right, now this was the first way to clear cache. Another way is go to your hard disk and then go to library folder. Inside that, go to caches and here again select all the items and then move them to trash. Okay, and then after moving it to trash, do not forget to empty the trash. Alright, so I didn't do it because it will take a little time, so I just want to just demonstrate it. So there are not too much of items in my caches available right now. Okay, and the second important step is you need to update your Mac often. So just keep updating your MacBook using the software updates available in the App Store. This is important because whatever version of OS you are using right now, so it might be having few bugs. So as and when the developers find some they improve the versions and they create the bug free softwares or apps, so they just release they keep on releasing those versions. So it's important to update the softwares. All right, so to have bug free versions. Okay, so just keep updating your software using App Store and also your OS. All right, so whatever updates are available, just keep doing that time to time. And the third point is try to avoid third party softwares like Norton antivirus. Okay, so guys, please do not install those softwares. They are not at all required for your MacBook. You should be aware of that MacBook is just awesome. You need not have any third party software for protection from antiviruses. It's not at all required. All right, so please do not install antivirus softwares. So sometimes some people face this their laptop keeps restarting on its own, or most of the times, actually MacBook users do not face any kind of heating issues. So if at all they are facing heating issue, or their laptop is getting restarted on its own, so just try to just search for any third party softwares which you have installed recently, and then just remove them, just get rid of them, and then try to log in again, restart your laptop and try to log in. So after that, you must be experiencing means you will be free from those issues which you were facing earlier, like you won't be having this restarting or this heating issue. All right. Okay. And the fourth point is you need to turn off eye candy. Okay. So for that, just go to system preferences and then select dock, and here you can see in minimize windows using Genie effect will be there by default. So just select scale effect and deselect animate opening applications. So these two things are also important. So this Genie effect is this dot which you see here. So means these all stuff also consume a significant amount of CPU. Okay, so just get rid of that and do this step. All right. Another thing is that you should have sufficient amount of RAM available in your system. Okay, so try to have maximum amount of RAM, means the amount which your laptop can have till its maximum capacity and according to your budget. All right. And another point is avoid using an animated desktop. Do not have animated wallpapers or themes, so that also consumes a lot of CPU. So means just avoid that, so it's not required. And another point is just have the habit of keeping movies, audios, videos and large files in your external hard disk so as to have ample free space available in your startup disk. Okay, so please do not keep storing everything in your laptop. Just have the habit of storing it in some external hard disk. All right, some external storage, whatever it may be. So it's very important to have ample of free space available in your startup hard disk. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to start up your Mac. It also affects your system performance, so do not do that. Okay. Another point is use activity monitor to see the percentage CPU consumption by different processes. All right. So just go to utilities, folder, and select activity monitor. So I have already opened it here. Go to this, and here you can see the list of processes which are running right now and the amount of CPU, means the percent of CPU being utilized by different processes, as well as the CPU time. So all these process ID, everything is available. So according to this data, you can come to know which process is using more amount of CPU. So just go to that process and quit that process if it's not required to minimize the CPU consumption. All right. Okay, good. Another thing is keep clearing your browser cache, history, bookmarks, whatever it is. So don't keep piling it up. So just keep clearing them also time to time. And also manage your startup items. Okay, so how to do that? Just go to system preferences and select users and groups. So current user will be whatever, by whatever username you have logged in, and then click on login items. So whatever items are selected here, so if at all those all items are required for startup, so let it be. Otherwise, just try to have the minimum items available for startup. Okay, so during startup, very less amount of items should be available. Otherwise, it will also decrease your system performance. Okay, so it will take a lot of time for your Mac to load to start up. Okay, so just try to have less amount of items ticked here. Okay, all right. And the last but not the least, try to keep fewer items on your desktop. So that is also very important, but it is quite funny that I haven't kept fewer items on my desktop, but that point is also important. So try to keep fewer items also on your desktop. Okay, so that's all guys from my side. So if at all you like my video and you're satisfied with the content, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also put a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Bye bye and have a good day.